Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by opening System Settings from the Apple menu. This is where Mac OS centralizes display and security controls. Once there, click Lock Screen in the sidebar or use Spotlight to jump straight to it. Make sure you're signed into iCloud if you want synced wallpaper across devices, and keep your admin password ready because some changes require authentication. Doing this upfront saves time and prevents interruptions. Now move to customizing appearance and behavior in the next section. You'll now pick the visual and functional details. Choose a new wallpaper or a dynamic option to match time of day because visual context helps recognition. Then add or edit a lock screen message and visible widgets. These provide quick info without unlocking. Next, set require password timing for security, immediately after 5 minutes, etc. Shorter times increase security but slightly reduce convenience. Make changes deliberately so your lock screen balances aesthetics and protection. Once satisfied, confirm and continue to finalize. You finish by saving changes and testing. Lock your Mac with Control-Command-Q to see the new lock screen in action, because testing ensures everything appears as intended. If elements look off, reopen System Settings and reapply choices. Sometimes a quick restart forces the new wallpaper or widgets to load. If the wallpaper still won't change, sign out and back into iCloud or remove and reselect the image. This resolves most sync and cache issues and gets you back to a working, personalized lock screen.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.